Hey, you web traveler. So, I've seen a new trend on Got Story for the past year. It's just small boxes with a few cards in them. God knows which quality you'll get or how many there will be. And opening one of them on the video results in a short video like for 3 minutes. And I don't want to buy a lot of them, because they are pricey for what they deliver. So that's why I'm opening 3 of them in one video, and I'm hoping I'm giving you the insights, what to buy and what not to buy. Most of them are around $10, some less, some more. The fuck, have only 2 cards in one pack, which from the looks of it are thermal cards. So that's cool. I haven't gotten those before. All right, we have even different. It's the same character, right? I think, yeah, that's the same character, but there's a different art at the back, which is kind of cool. Okay, you get bonus points for doing that, this box. But now let's see. What the fuck? Okay, let's see how the thermo shit works. It doesn't. Is this not a thermo? Is not it. It's just a random piece of shit on her boobs. Nothing is happening here. Is it scratch? It's not scratch. What is the purpose of these black things on our tits? Okay, hold up. Maybe this is a thermo. Or is it a scratch? Oh, that's the scratch one. Alright, what the fuck? I never seen a Got a Story scratch card. I don't want to do this on my placemat, hold up. I don't want to do this at all, actually, but I'm gonna. Cause science, you know? As if plastic from a card packs wasn't enough, there's even more shit now. Oh my god, fuck. It's all over the place, I don't like it. It's a neat card, it's a good shine. I just don't like the freaking shit that is now everywhere. So we're gonna move on to this one. I hope this one will be better. Okay, don't know what to think about that, but sure. It feels heavier, but I think, okay, yeah, it feels heavier because there's like only a freaking 1 card more. So 3 cards for $10. Freaking bargain, dude. I don't know, what the fuck is this? Oh, that's, okay, oh, what the fuck? Okay, bulk card? Bulk? What do you mean bulk? Is this the one which is working correctly then? Bruh, well, are my fingers not warm enough? Do I put my dick on it? Oh, yeah, you can see just a little bit. Alright. So this one is working correctly. Hold up. It's very cool idea to have cards that respond to temperature. But I think making her whole body respond to it is a little bit of overkill. How are you thinking I'm gonna do this? Like, I'm not gonna like sit here and wait until all of her body is gonna be visible. Just do like a few parts. Like the other card that has only like a few black things on the boobas understood that correctly, but I think the freaking shit is just doesn't work. Which here you can actually see, sorry for extra shit on the card, that's because of the scratch card. Which is kind of cool, but then again, my next thing is, why isn't she naked? You're already making me do an extra step to see how the card looks, and she isn't even naked. You have a perfect censorship to make a naked waifu card, and you didn't. I am disappointed. Okay, and then we have the luxury edition. So it's not even 3 cards, it's again 2 cards. And I have Knight of the Goddess, which is this chick with very weird nipples. It doesn't smell. What is the purpose of this? I can kiss that and like pretend I'm kissing her. What a worthless piece of shit. Again, I don't think you should buy this box. Then we move on for the last one of this video. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm gonna do this often, guys. I even chose the boxes that I buy carefully, because I knew they can be shit, and I didn't buy everything. I bought only things that I thought, well, maybe, you know, for this price I'm gonna try it. And so far I wasn't very pleased. Alright, and then we have this one, which I already opened it, but for the husbando. And it's a weird one. because they are not the usual cards that you are familiar of getting. Now you can see why, because that's the size of the normal one. That's the size that they come up with. But nice legs, not gonna lie. All right. Oh, the same art at the back. Okay. I thought it would be different, but let's see what we have here. We have here this Tricaruni, nice Bulbas, and we have a see-through thing here. Okay, sure, it's sexy, that's all it is. And then we have, what do we have here? What's this? Oh, a 3-fold card. 4-fold card. I finally got one of those, let's go! Awesome, okay, this is pretty cool. I love every art that I see, and I really want to see the other side. And it's just, ooh, that's those two together, having fun. I'm gonna display these boxes once again, and I'm gonna say my honest opinion. Disapprove, kinda approve. But only because I got a very cool card. Like the big ones, I don't really like them, but the 4-fold was cool. Do with that what you want. I hope I helped you to see what's shit and what not. And I wish you luck with your waifu hunting. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in another one.